How to draw Truz Yochi, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Truz Yochi, let's begin by drawing the crown right towards the center of the page, which will be on a small slant. And if you're new to Untitled Chapter, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now connected to the crown that we just drew, we're going to draw the outline of the face by drawing a big circle. And on the inside of the circle, let's draw the eyes by drawing shapes that look similar to musical notes. Let's go ahead and fill in these shapes completely black. Now right below and in the center of those two eyes, let's draw the mouth by drawing a line that looks similar to a V. Well done, so far we're making great progress. Now right below and connected to the head, let's go ahead and draw the legs along with the arms. Next, in the center of the chest, for the last step, let's just draw a small lightning bolt. Next, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.